With temperatures dropping below freezing all this week, the London Fire Brigade's appealing for the public to stay safe around frozen lakes and waterways. They say it might be tempting to walk or play on frozen water, but the ice can easily break. According to the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents, 50% of ice-related drownings involve the attempted rescue of a dog.
So the advice we give is, first of all, consistent with the RNLI, is float to live. So just try and stay calm, shout for help, and just try and give yourself a second before you try and swim or get away, because otherwise it can make the situation worse.
Hello there. Our current cold snap may well be coming to an end, but before it does so, I think something of a sting in the tail. Of course, over recent days we've seen plenty of these snow showers, this one looking very heavy as it obscures the skyline of the island of Skye. And it is in northern Scotland we've seen the largest accumulations of snow. Through Wednesday we had over 20 centimetres on the deck in Lerwick, and that was before this lot arrived.
Well, do you know what, Carol? It looks so pretty. Just what's behind you, obviously, I'm talking about. It looks so pretty, but it can cause so many problems for so many people when it's this cold and it's snowy.
That's absolutely right, Naga. Good morning, everybody. And there's more snow on the way today across the north of Scotland. It's been a cold night as well, where we've had lying snow in Dalwhinnie, for example, in the Highlands. Temperatures overnight were -11. But farther south, where we have no snow, Benson in Oxfordshire, with light winds and clear skies, fell to -10. So it just shows how cold the air is at the moment. Now, there's further heavy snow to come today across northern Scotland. At the moment, we've got about 35 centimetres of lying snow in Altnahara, so that will be topped up. And all of this, of course, is likely to lead to some disruption.
There's lots to talk about, Carol, isn't there? It may look beautiful, but it's causing problems. That's
right, Charlie. Good morning, everyone. I've been talking about the low temperatures this morning. It's fallen again in Bridge. It's now -13.6. And as we go through today and tomorrow, the cold weather is still very much with us. There'll be further snow showers, especially in the north. Then as we head into the weekend, it will turn much milder than it has been, but it will be wet and very windy, and the snow will melt. And there could well be some issues in the north with localised flooding.
Cold is the atmosphere, I think. Not metaphorically, but literally, physically, Carol. Isn't it? It's very chill. I mean, it's a beautiful wintry scene, but actually it's a pain for so many people as well.
Yes, if you have to travel in it, Naga, it can be really difficult. And for some of us today, we could actually have some disruption due to the amount of snow we're expecting. But
there is change afoot, Carol, in a few days' time. Is that right?
That's absolutely right, Charlie. Yes, of course, we're talking about the weather here, but today we're looking at a lot of snow around. This is a Weather Watchers picture from Elgin. You can see the lying snow there, and this one from Broughton in northeast England. But as Charlie did allude to there, we are looking at a change in the forecast. Today and tomorrow will remain very cold. There'll be further snow showers, a lot of which will be in the north. But the weekend, something milder, wet and windy comes our way. So we're looking at rain, and where, of course, with the milder temperatures, the snow melts, there is the risk of localised flooding.